Brown chicken, brown cow. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Cameron Smith. For my physics project, I'm going to be launching some of these film canisters, hopefully pretty high up into the air, using nothing but Alka-Seltzer and water. Now the thing about the film canisters that I found is the lid is very important to how they launch. For example, if you use one of these lids, which this has already been used, see the way that it grips the lip of the canister a little too tightly there with the two rings? Doesn't work well. Ends up making it just kind of pop over. What you need is a film canister with this kind of lid, the way that it barely just fits in there and holds on just kind of with pressure. Really helps for the launch. We're going to need to go ahead and measure the weight of this so that we can figure out how many newtons it took to get it to fly that far that fast. In order to do that, I have a little scale here. Turn it on. It measures to the 1/10 of a gram. So we're going to put the canister itself on here. Remember that the lid, the Alka-Seltzer tablet, and the water all stay on the ground, so they don't need to actually be weighed because they're not flying anywhere. Looks like 4.1 grams. I'll go ahead and pick up the camera and give you guys a little evidence. You know I'm not making this up. 4.1 grams exactly. Alright, so here we have our measuring stick. Each large silver line represents 10 centimeters. Each small one represents 5 centimeters. We're going to place the film canister on the plate, and hopefully I won't go higher than that. Alright, so that time it actually shot up. Now let's see if we can grab a few frames from that video and see how fast it made it to the top of that ruler tape measure. Enhance. Enhance. Alright, now it's a little hard to show you in the video itself, but after frame by frame analysis, I discovered that it reached the top of that measure tape thing in about 0.17 seconds. Now the height of that is 162 centimeters. So now we need to find out how many newtons it takes to get 4.1 grams to reach 162 centimeters in 0.17 seconds. This is where the math comes in.
She blinded me with science. She blinded me with science.
Alright, so after I did some really smart math stuff, I figured out that it takes about 0.017875518 newtons to propel this 4.1 gram film canister 126 centimeters into the sky in 0.17 seconds. So I'll throw the math up on the screen. So thank you for watching. My name is Cameron Smith, and this has been Physics Science Time 101.